Hello guys, welcome to the next video tutorial on Java programming for beginners. In this video, we will learn about method overloading. In the last videos, I have shown you how to use a method. Now, method overloading is same as declaring method, but the main thing is you can define different method with the same name. So two method you can define with the same name which can perform two different different logic. So for example, I want to add two values and I want to declare some method for this. So I will declare a function called public static, and it will return integer value, and I will name it as add. Okay, and what it's going to do is it's going to add two values. Okay, and it will return these two values, and then I will pass int a comma int b as the parameters, and I will return the sum of these two values, right? A plus b, and I can call it in here, right? But in real world programming, the situation may occur that you want to add not only two integer values, you may want to add two double values or decimal values, or you may want to add two strings, because plus you can be used as a concatenation operators also. So what you can do in Java is you can define the method, two different method with the same name, but for example different parameters and different values. Okay, so you can define add something like this, or you can define add something like this, and this is called method overloading. Whenever you define different method with the same name which performs some different logic, but they have, the same name, they can perform mostly same logic, but data type you want to use them or parameter you want to pass them can be different. And whenever you will call these method, for example something like this, you want to add two values, you can just call add two integer 1 comma 36. So it will by default Java knows that whenever you pass two integers here in a method, you are calling this method because you are passing two integers. In the same way, whenever you pass two double values, for example 5 point something and 40 point something, then your Java program knows that you are calling this video. So Java is intelligent enough to deduce your method by your initialization of the method. In the same way, you can pass whenever you want to pass two names, for example hello and second parameter as world, then also it can know that you are calling this function because it takes string values, and whenever you run the program it will give you different result. And so in the first case, this add is calling this function. In the second case, this add function is calling this function, and in the third case this add is calling this function. So The method overloading, or the basic logic of method overloading, is you can define different method with the same name to perform different operations. Okay, but logically they will be doing some same kind of work. So this is method overloading in Java. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.